Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make fluffy pancakes without eggs. Before we get into the video, if this is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching my videos. Let's get right into the video. So the ingredients we'll need for this recipe are baking powder, cinnamon. I love cinnamon a lot because cinnamon is healthy and nutritious. Date syrup. I'm using date syrup here, but any type of syrup or sweetener will do. I made this syrup myself. I filmed a video. I am going to leave a link to how I made this date syrup myself. And we have salt. Any type of salt will do, but I personally use pink salt or Himalayan salt to cook. Milk. Here I'm using skim milk, but again, any type of milk will do. Extra virgin olive oil. Flour, any type of baking flour. And we have extra virgin olive oil again, but this time around it's in a spray form. I will show you why. You need your tools, which is your measurements, your baking spoons, baking cup, whisk, and a big bowl. So the first thing we're going to do is to measure out the flour. You measure the flour, you add the baking powder, which you see that's what I'm doing here. And after you add the baking powder, you add in the salt, and then you add in the olive oil and the date syrup. So basically we're adding the dry ingredients first, and then we'll add the wet ingredient. If you notice, for the milk, I am adding my milk slowly in. I'm not turning the entire measurement in. I want to determine how the texture or the consistency rather of the batter. So I prefer to slowly add in my milk. I will leave the exact measurements in the description box so you can follow it. Leave your batter to rest for 10 minutes. That way it allows bubbles to form before you begin to fry. Low heat, we put the pan and allow it to get hot. We spray the olive oil. Spraying the olive oil allows you control the amount of oil you use in frying. Pancakes there's oil already in the batter, so pancakes don't necessarily need a lot of oil to get cooked up. So as you can see, our batter has bubbles in it, right? So we begin to fry. We spread the batter evenly, just a little quantity, and that's it. You literally can see when your pancake is ready for the flip. So there would be a bubble. You would literally see the bubbles on the batter. So once you see the bubbles, it means that your pancake is ready for a flip. And so we make the flip and turn it to the other side, so you can see the golden color of the pancakes. And we repeat the process for all the batter. Guys, look at the texture. Look at the texture of the pancakes. Just look at it. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've learned how to make fluffy pancakes, and if you do make this recipe, don't forget to tag me on Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe, check my previous videos. I hope you got motivated to go make your own pancakes. So until my next video, so much kisses from me. I love you. Bye.